Good. Hello and welcome back to the show. Woo! Thank you. Are we having a good time?
Yes.
Oh, it's only one person. Come on, let's do it everywhere. How are we having a good time, people?
Yes.
I love that. It's our last episode, people. We should be happy, you know? Please join me to welcome my next guest on the show, Nadia, please. Thank you. Hello, Nadia.
Hi.
Good to see you. You're looking very good.
Thank you.
I love your dress. All put together.
It's good and it's top.
Please have a seat. Welcome to the show. Thank you. Nadia, congratulations. First, I want to say thank you very much for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Your new movie is out already.
Yeah.
So, Nadia, can you talk us through it? What is movie what you wanted to do from day one? Or what was your interest to go into a movie?
I've always been one of those kids where when I was in college, I'm very funny. In any environment I am, always making jokes and all that. So people used to say, why can't you just put that in acting? But then when you come to a family where you're very broke, nobody's there to push you. As an orphan, I never grew up with my father. My mom was a struggle single mother. It's difficult for someone to push you and say, go, go, go. So because you're living in a hardship and all that stuff. So kind of grow up and think to myself, why not just invest in my own movies? Because I went back to Nigeria 2012 to register with the movie industry. It's just difficult because you need contacts. Nigeria is a very big country where you just can't go there and say, oh, I'm beautiful, I want to be an actress. It's so wrong. You need connections. Without that, sorry, you're zero. They'll be like, sorry, we can't help you. And, you know, so I came back, I was very disappointed. But then, while I was there, I met a couple of people, I make friends, connections. And then I said, okay, come back, finish your school, get there, and do it. So right now, they didn't invite me to come and shoot a movie. I invested in my own movie. So that is like you putting money on the spot to get yourself out there. You're selling yourself out there. So when they see you, then they start now looking for you to come and shoot for them. Then you're now being paid. So I'm taking the sacrifice of investing all my money that I've saved to put in a movie and make it big with the A-list actors. So hopefully it works.
Very, very, very smart. Yeah. Smart lady for that. Now, let's take a look back at the movie which you're working on at the moment.
Yeah.
I don't want... Just can you tell us through some kind of, you know, some piece that you actually played through? Can you talk us through a little bit of that?
Actually, I was the main actress, like the main role. I did the main role. It was quite challenging because I've never, ever been in a movie, but I've been in certain video shoots, like stuff like that. But it was really challenging because you're thinking, oh, it's so easy to just fall on the floor and just say, oops. No, you do it like 10 times. We used to shoot like till 4 o'clock in the morning. I'll be like, what's like, am I going to do this? And if a part where you have to cry is just difficult.
Yeah.
You will cry and cry until all your tears will dry because they'll be like, no, cut, do it again, cut. It's so hard. So, but it's a challenging thing, but it's good. But my movie is all about daily stuff. I want to do stuff that happens in real life.
Sure.
I don't want to do those Jackie Chan or flying through people flying on the air. No. I want real stuff, that daily life. Like, the movie is all about my fiancé loving him so much, but he just can't keep it in his pants. He just have to go there. Every time he sees a woman, he's distracted. Yeah. Even when we are standing together, you be thinking, what's wrong with him? What am I not doing wrong?
I saw that as well.
And then at the same time, when a woman takes it that much, you get fed up. What do? The first thing that snaps, you just want a revenge.
That's true.
And then so I did what I have to do.
Yeah.
Not to teach him a lesson, not to do it to others. So it's a kind of tearful, you cry a lot, which was very challenging. I'm not a crying person, but then
you did cry
as an actress, you need to cry. You have to cry.
How you even get the money?
You have to cry. And then it was all like just normal story that happens in life. Caught him in the bed with some girl, and then a part of that he has uncountable girlfriends, which I didn't know. So we are walking the street, he's there staring at all the girls. It's just so painful. These are things that happen in real life.
That's true.
You know, you meet the wrong people, but then there was this love between us. We couldn't let each other go. So. It's kind of like a fairy tale.
That's a great movie for viewers at home, you know. Look out for that, Nadia. So, Nadia, that's one of your first movies you've ever done.
Yes.
And I've kind of seen the trailer of it as well. It's really good, very nice, all put together. What other things are you looking forward to for the new year?
I'm going back in Nigeria in a few days. I'm going to shoot. There's a TV series I have to shoot. They called me yesterday to do a TV series. And so we're going to put 2 episodes on live. When they get a conclusion that they can go on air, then I'll be traveling a lot. This year is just going to be a year of traveling because I'm shooting my own second movie in January as well. Right. So I'm going for at least a month and a half. So I'll shoot my own second movie. and then I'll do the TV series, and then there's commercial that they're looking forward to work with me because I have access to travel all the time. So at the same time, then I have other business I want to invest in.
It's not just the access you have.
Yeah.
It's because I've seen what the role you actually played in the movie, which is really good. I never really expect that much in terms of the way it's been directed, but the character involved, the personality involved, the whole actions, a different ball game entirely, you know, which is really good. So it's a huge opportunity there for you as well. And I hope a lot of people here on Ireland and you know, walk around it. Have you been able to kind of look at the Irish scene now? Because right now you're on the b-ball, a lot of things are happening. You ever try to look at the Irish scene and try to see if you're going to play any role there?
The thing is, right now, what I'm trying to look for is to break through. Once I get it spotted in that market, then I have to bring the movies down to Ireland because this is my country. I love Ireland.
That's good.
And, I want to make sure that I have a lot. I've grown all my whole life in Ireland. Ireland is basically my country now. So I want my audience, my classmates, my friends and family here in Ireland to know that your girl is hitting it hard.
Wow,
so I can heard of this. So
I like that.
I would
Let's fight for that. I like that. Thank you very much. Please, a big applause for Nadia, please. Thank you very much. We want to wish you good luck in all you're going to be doing in your movie career. I know that's not easy. It's a lot of work to really do, and I hope you're going to inspire other younger people that are going to be looking up to you as well. But we wish you best of luck in all
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, viewers at home, we've finally come to the end of the show today for this year. This is our last episode for 2015. Please make some noise in the audience, please. Whoa, let's go. Thank you. Thank you all.